customer that Alpha deal with is involved in the food processing industry. This part here is a Hex Embossed Stainless Steel trough/chutes that is used in a hopper assembly. Alpha create a variety of different parts that are hex embossed. The previous process was that we used to procure the sheet metal pre-hex embossed. The problems with that is that it can create longer lead times and can be expensive. The solution to the problem that was with the help with one of our tooling suppliers that are partnered at Alpha, we were able to design and develop a tool that enabled us to punch the raw material of stainless steel hex embossed here at Alpha Manufacturing. The benefits of Alpha doing this in-house is that it reduces raw material costs and lead times for us, whereas for the customer, they receive a more cost-effective product with shorter manufacturing time.